As a farmer, there are probably a few questions you ask yourself every day. What will the weather be like? Is it going to rain? How are the crops doing? Are there any pests or diseases causing trouble around? But do you ask yourself often enough, how is your soil doing? Farmers from the CAPSELLA community are asking this question every day. We are here to support you in finding the answers about the health of your soil. We are building a tool allowing self-assessment of soil health across Europe. Farmers will now be able to share their findings, learn from each other, and seek further advice. Sustainable farming isn't just a fashion. Sustainability is key to the future of our planet. The soil is a complex living ecosystem, important for plants and animals which support agricultural production. It's also a research which cannot be renewed easily. Soil health depends in equal parts on its chemical, physical, and biological fertility. These elements should be in balance for optimal crop growth and minimal risk for the ecosystem. On a global scale, soils have impact on natural ecosystems, climate, agriculture, and human health. Around the world, soil is increasingly degrading. Keeping it in good health is a major goal of sustainability. After all, healthy soils produce healthy crops and preserve natural resources. Here's how you can monitor the health of your soil. The spade test is a widely used qualitative method for monitoring soil health. It will give you knowledge on the fertility conditions of your soil and the effects of the mechanical operations on its structure. For performing the spade test, you will need a digging spade or fork, a knife to clean the surface of the sample, a white tray to better visualize the sample. The spade test will also give you an idea of what should be improved in crop fertilization or other agronomic practices. To farmer communities, it is important to have simple tools to monitor soil health. This is why we have created the CAPSELLA Soil Health application, available for desktop and mobile devices. It is intuitive and will guide you through every step of the spade test. The CAPSELLA Soil Health application makes recording your observations easy. Before taking a soil sample, first, have a look around the area. Can you notice any signs of erosion, waterlogging, or surface crusting? Take a soil sample. Make sure it's the right size. Take a record of how many different layers are visible in the sample and how thick is each one of them. Observe soil compaction and the shape of soil aggregates. Can you notice any residues? What type are they? Assess the sample's color and smell. And last but not least, check for the soil biodiversity and give a grade from 1 to 5 to each soil layer. The data you've gathered will be summarized for easy consultation. Monitoring your soil health and sharing your data will make it possible to understand soil changes across Europe, prompt action, and help ensure that future generations will enjoy growing healthy crops. Download the CAPSELLA Soil Health application for free and start monitoring your soil health today.